Hi everybody, how are you doing? And can I just start this video by saying how lucky I am to have you? How blessed I am to have you. And with that being said, I want to show you what I did for St. Patrick's Day. Okay, all I did this year, and I'm going to post the two home tours I did with St. Patrick's, I think. If it's another one, I'll put that on too. But anyway, I will put that, and you can go on to that video if you want to see how I did my house the last 2 years. The reason I didn't do everything this year is I have a huge Easter home tour collaboration that I'm going to be doing, and I'm more focusing on that, but I still had to honor St. Patrick's Day. So let's start with my 3-tier in my dining room, and these flowers were from the Dollar Tree that I purchased a couple years ago. I think they're really pretty. I love the white with the green tips glittered and with the shamrock. And then over here, this was from the Dollar Tree as well, and this had the glitter. Well, I'll show you. I have it down here on the table. It had this part of it, but it was too encumbersome to try to put up where it didn't keep falling over. So I just took that part off and it sits better. And then these honeycomb shamrocks I've had since my kids were little, and I just found them again a couple years ago and I started using them. And then this this was with another piece of wood. I think it was God Bless This Home, and I just put this part up with it. And then down here, Lucky to Have You, that was from Hobby Lobby last year, I believe. And then over here, these glittery shamrocks were from Hobby Lobby, as well as this chunky wood shamrock. And then I can't remember if I got this from Hobby Lobby or not, but it's that wire garland that they have for every holiday. So I just put that up with some more paper shamrocks. And then down on the bottom, I have this sign that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. And I just always loved these retro looking signs. I think they are so cute. And one of my shabby chic flowers I made, I have a video on that, along with more of the carnations. Then over here, this candy dish is from the Dollar Tree, and I'm telling you, these are so pretty. But this was $1.99, it wasn't $1. And then over here, this hat that's supposed to be like a leprechaun hat, that was from the Dollar Tree too last year. So that is what I did in my family room area. That is my 3-tier galvanized tray, along with my green candle. So that's it for here, and then I'll show you the other piece that I decorated. Okay everyone, now we're in the formal dining room, and I decorated my bar cart. As some of you know, I had this bar cart for over 1.5 years while my house was under construction from the flood that I had. That was awful, and thank God it's over. So anyway, this bar cart I finally put together myself. I was so proud of myself, because when I look at things like this, I just start to sweat and think, how am I going to do it? And I thought, you know what, I'm going to do it. And I did. So over here, coffee maker, hot chocolate maker, and then back here is another one of those honeycomb shamrocks with the cupcake holder, and something will be going on that. And then these little cups I got from work one year when I worked at Albertsons. And then down here, this, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed, was from Hobby Lobby. And then these cups are Irish coffee cups that I got one year when I had a Princess House party many years ago. And down at the bottom is my Pioneer Woman glass pitcher, which is so pretty. And then some green straws. And then this Trader Joe Triple Ginger Brew, that green bottle just worked perfect. And then some of my cocoa, sugar, and cinnamon if anyone wants hot cocoa. So that is my bar cart. Like I say, guys, I didn't do anything else. I am going to post the 2 videos so you can go and see those if you like. So that's it for my St. Patrick's this year, guys. Anyway, I just show you what I did. And remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll be talking to you soon, guys. Bye.